Do you get stuck on big power remainder questions in bank exams? Today, I'll show you a super fast trick to solve them in seconds. Step 1. Reduce the base modulo the divisor. Here, 41 divided by 9 gives a remainder of 5. So we can simplify the problem. 41 is identical to 5 mod 9. Step 2. Check the pattern of powers modulo 9. Let's calculate small powers of 5 modulo 9. Cycle repeats every 6 powers, 5, 7, 8, 4, 2, 1. Step 3. Divide the exponent 56 by cycle length 6. 56 divided by 6 is equal to 9 remainder 2. So 5 is identical to 5 superscript 2 mod 9. Step 4. From the cycle, 5 superscript 2 is identical to 7 mod 9. Answer equals 7. Try this yourself. What's the remainder of 29 divided by 7? Comment your answer below. If this trick helped you, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more bank exam shortcuts.